Okay, so I have the upper plate of the tailgate off. That's 8 Torx screws, and I yanked the old latch mechanism. It broke there. You can see how thin and cheap the plastic is. It just tore out from the unit. Nothing like planned obsolescence. So anyway, I am putting the new one in here. It's a Dorman unit from O'Reilly's. I can only guess at what the quality of this is. It looks very similar to the OEM part, original part I removed. So we'll see what happens. It's just a matter of lining it up in the hole there and tightening it down. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. And then I am still missing, see this here bolt on this side here, but the one on this side fell off, so I just need to get a replacement for it. Okay. Alright, so I did get the new rear tailgate latch on, but you can see that it doesn't fit really great. It just doesn't fit flat against the tailgate, but it does work. And I sprayed WD-40 on all the mechanism in here, and so now the latch works a lot more smoothly. And I have the cover plate all put back on. It's Torx screws. Okay. Then you can hear the exhaust. So there is a miss in there somewhere, and I've tested all of the fuel injectors. I've listened to them, and I can hear them ticking, opening and closing. Then I've tested all the spark plugs. I've pulled each wire to each plug, and I can hear a difference in the engine sound, so I know they're all working. So it's probably one of the fuel injectors is clogged, even though it's ticking away, but I could not determine which one. So I think I'm going to have to just order a whole new set. They have 260,000 miles on them anyway, so even though it's a new engine, it still has a lot of mileage on them. So, okay, well, that's pretty much the update for now. Okay, so I have to give the truck camper a bath here pretty soon too. It's just got rainwater flow marks coming down on it. There's the end of the gutter there, so you can see a mark where that comes down. Okay.